3, 2, 1, go!
Welcome to our video on kitchen cupboards in Pretoria. Looking for kitchen cupboards in Pretoria? Modo Kitchens are designers, builders and installation specialists of the highest quality kitchens in Pretoria, Centurion and surrounds. We service all areas of Pretoria. Modo Kitchens is the preferred supplier of quality kitchen designs in Pretoria. Based in Pretoria, our purpose-built manufacturing subsequently ensures that your dream kitchen units are completed on time and furthermore on budget in as little as 14 days from your order. A friendly and efficient team of professionals will help you design the kitchen with a look and feel for the space that you desire. State-of-the-art 3D computer design programs will furthermore allow us to enhance the design process as well as to create the right space for your new kitchen prior to construction. We offer free quotes and free designs on all new kitchens in Pretoria. What to look for in kitchen cupboards. Form and function makes up the beginning of a perfect build in cupboards. Let us design your kitchens and wardrobes in the way that you want them, that will enhance your storage space. Prices of kitchen cupboards in Pretoria. Determining the price of a built-in kitchen unit, you will need to know a couple of things. First of all, the look and feel that you want, because this will dramatically influence the price of your built-in kitchen units. Considering the function, more drawers will obviously equal more cost. Kindly contact us for a free quote and design on your new built-in kitchen units. Modo Kitchens, designers, builders and installation specialists of the highest quality built-in kitchen units in Pretoria, Centurion and surround. We will design your dream kitchen with as little stress and disruption as possible. Modo's vast knowledge in the kitchen installation industry ensures that clients will be 100% satisfied with the quality of the work we offer. After all, perfect is the only word we know. Our work offers all areas of kitchens, bathroom vanities, bedroom wardrobes, and home offices. Why use Modo Kitchens for kitchen cupboards? At Modo Kitchens, we pride ourselves on being punctual and reliable. We pride ourselves on being clean, tidy, and efficient. Modo never leaves the client without being 100% satisfied. All our tradesmen are highly and multi-skilled, requiring less individual tradesmen through your property. We always install our own work and do not contract out. Our brand promise to our clients. Free callouts in Pretoria and Centurion. Free consultations about your new kitchen. Free kitchen design services with updates and changes included. Free quotes on kitchens and built-in cupboards. The most competitive prices in Pretoria and Centurion. On-time delivery. Fast professional installations. Awesome after-sale service. 5-year warranty on all new installations. Request a free quote. We offer free callouts to measure and discuss your new kitchen cupboards in Pretoria and Centurion. Furthermore, we offer you a free kitchen design service. Call today for the best kitchen cupboards in Pretoria.